We continue to stay on top of that breaking news as 6.1 magnitude earthquake strikes off the west coast of Cuba. The impact's being felt right here.
The Stephen P. Clark building in downtown Miami was evacuated. We've gotten reports of people leaving their buildings all across South Florida.
Next weather meteorologist Nick Marianos is back with us. Nick, we haven't seen something like this in quite a while.
Yeah, you have to go back to 2020, right, when we had one in the Caribbean across southeastern Cuba. That was a 7.7. That was the last time we had reports of a building evacuating as well in Miami due to an earthquake. This time, this was in the northwestern side of Cuba, so more of the Gulf region versus down to the Caribbean. So what we have seen today is the fact that this is preliminary 6.1, initially registered as 6.4, then later adjusted down to a 6.1 magnitude. But it's quite rare to have an earthquake of this strength located right here. All right, so last time this happened, in fact, going back to looking at earthquakes in the Gulf region, this is potentially the strongest on record. So Greg, if you can zoom in right here, showing the location of that earthquake, 6.1, located right off the coast, 246 miles to the west of Key West. So pretty significant to see something like this begin to take shape here. Again, this was felt all across much of Florida, and what we're seeing, reports coming in, the shake map was reported from the USGS. Look at all the reports coming in across South Florida, all the way up to Tampa Bay and across interior Florida as well. Mostly felt over southwest Florida into the Tampa Bay area, but of course here at home in South Florida, we felt it, no doubt about that, especially down by Miami Beach, some of the more frequent reports of that shaking. But fortunately, it was just a one-off at this point. Lauren, Aja?
All right, Nick, thank you. And again, as Nick just mentioned, the last time South Florida felt the effects of an earthquake was back in 2020. A powerful magnitude 7.7 earthquake struck south of Cuba and northwest of Jamaica. Many condo residents and hotel guests near Kendall Drive and the Palmetto Expressway evacuated their buildings. Keep it right here on CBS News Miami as we continue to monitor this latest quake.